Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Jeep Wrangler headlights. First, gather your tools, which typically include a T15 Torx bit and sometimes a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, find a flat, level surface and park your Jeep about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. It's also important to ensure your tire pressure is correct and your fuel tank is at least half full for accurate measurements. Now, let's find those adjustment screws. Open your Jeep's hood and look at the headlight assembly. You'll typically find 2 adjustment screws for each headlight. For many models, a T15 Torx bit is used. One screw is for vertical adjustment, controlling the up and down movement of the beam, while the other handles horizontal adjustment, moving the beam left or right. To adjust the vertical aim, first mark the center of your low beam on the wall with tape. Then, use your T15 Torx driver to turn the vertical adjustment screw. Turning it clockwise usually raises the beam, and counterclockwise lowers it. The goal is to position the top of your low beam's cutoff line about 2 inches below the center mark you made on the wall. Finally, let's fine-tune the horizontal aim. Use the horizontal adjustment screw to center the beam pattern. You want the brightest part of the light to be directly in front of your Jeep. Once both headlights are adjusted, remove any tape and take your Jeep for a test drive on a dark road. This final check ensures your headlights provide optimal visibility without blinding oncoming traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.